In front of me is OPPO F23 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Autofill. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Now click on your Google account and tap on the preferable one, in my case this one. Finally click on Autofill, then Autofill with Google, and this switcher next to use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, Autofill is disabled. If you want to enable it, select the same No Dark switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!